Hello, this is Confused Productions again, and today we got a new Lego set to unbox. Yay! Get this here, right here. Just gotta got this. Yep, and we got here. Yeah, we got the instruction booklet, stickers. This is big and impressive. And here, promoting the new sets that are coming out, that came out already. We got the Arc 170 Baby Yoda, or we call him the Child of Grogu. The juniors version of the Mandalorian N1 Starfighter. And this set right here, Ahsoka's Jedi Interceptor. All the way from here. Wait. Yeah. Let's get the box away. Got bag 1. Bag 2. And bag 3. Get this out here. And now we start building. we have finished Ahsoka's Jedi Starfighter. Yep. Nice looking ship here, just like Anakin's Jedi Starfighter, except it's all red and white. Plus, we got some minifigures here. Let's review them first, shall we? First up, we got Anakin Skywalker, the main surprise of the set now, since we didn't get much Anakin that much this year, but at least we got him now. This is his Clone Wars outfit, and his facial expressions represent that this is calm, and this is angry. Yeah. And we have a random astromech droid, and his name, let me see, his name is R7A7, which is kind of much of a reskin of R2D2 and R4P17 and the other astromech droids, but this is a unique one since it's rare looking, and we haven't got this kind of droid for a little while. A little cool looking. And we got Ahsoka Tano. This was when she was still 12 years old, I guess, and we got some exclusive printing like her lightsabers, her torso, and her leg printing. Plus, we got a rare helmet that looks like Shock T's, I guess. Sorry. We got two expressions like this is happy, and this is angry. Yeah. After we got the figures, let's ship. Here we have Anakin's Ahsoka's Jedi Starfighter. Sorry. This is a good looking ship. We got the stickers here, and the little turbo boosters there, and this is where you're supposed to deploy the lasers here. We got some more printing here. Yeah. And like the front here that's built so nice here. Oh wait, there's a spot there you can put the astromech droid right here. Yep, this is nice fitting here. Let's see the interior. Whoa, this is looking so good. Like we got a little cockpit here and some kind of control panel, I guess. See, we close it back. Yeah, nice. Overall, it's a pretty nice set since we got some more Clone Wars stuff. I'm saying I'm giving this like a 9 out of 10 because it's a perfect set with rare characters like Ahsoka and Anakin. Yeah, this is a nice set and all. Yeah. And while we're at it, I can review my other special here. Well, yeah, a homemade house made by me. I built a little car here. Yeah. And here we have a little pond here. A little lake, I guess. Let me fix this here. Yeah. Yeah, I built this myself this morning with all the spare pieces I had in my collection. Yeah, I had spare pieces lying around and I decided to build a house. With a car here too. Let's see if he fits in. Halfway through. Oh, okay. The doors work and the windows work. The inside, let's see. Wait. The inside here is mostly like a small table here with a pie, some cups, I guess. And also a Minecraft chest there, or just a generic treasure chest. Yeah. And there's also a crafting table right there. Right there, yeah. I kind of put it there for some decor. Also put some wood there for some more decor. Put there too. I put bricks at the bottom for making a better foundation. Let's see if I can try to fit in figures. Let's see if I can try to fit in figures. Let's see, we got Anakin here. Let's see. He barely fits. Oh no. He's stuck in there. Wait, let me get him out. There we go. And yeah, he barely doesn't fit, but I can try to take out the roof part, but I can't since it might break apart. And yeah, that's all for the video now with a bonus review here. Plus this too. And yeah. Stay tuned for more LEGO videos. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.